we left a bunch of dishes from yesterday on the stove. And the sauce splashed everywhere. So I'm going to quickly clean that up. I've got the oven on right now. I'm making some butternut squash in the oven. I don't think you can see that. But butternut squash. We're not having our Thanksgiving dinner exactly, but we're kind of having Thanksgiving food. We're having a ham today. There's ham in the crock pot, and we're just gonna have some stuffing and mashed potatoes and some butternut squash. And knowing my mother-in-law, she'll probably bring some buns or dessert or something. And yeah, so that's it. That is for tying back the curtain. Though I don't really want to use it while we have Jacoby little, so if you'd like to tie back your own curtain with that in your room.
Which I don't have yet. Because you haven't put it up yet.
Excuse me? Got your sassiness on camera.
Okay. So, okay,
Because you're sassy. Alright, well, please,
just keeping up for beats. Back, back, back. It's a really small baby fish. It's a newborn.
why are you not with Jacoby?
Because they do.
Yeah, but Aiden asked to go back outside.
He's still in there.
Yeah, because he's got Jacoby.
No, he was didn't leave when you said he could.
Okay, well, I don't know why, but
So why is he allowed to?
I'm already out too. You guys can take Jacoby with you, please, but I'm busy.
If I'm not taking Jacoby with
Yeah, you can take Jacoby outside for a bit.
because Trinity wants to.
Yeah, just bring him in when he needs me, but if he doesn't need me, I have to work on dinner right now. Thank you. Serenity is right outside waiting for you.
What did you say?
Serenity's right outside waiting for you.
Oh. Yeah.
When I brought the recycling out, she asked if Aiden died.
Oh my god. That's my god.
Yep.
Jacoby and Aiden are come out. Yeah. Hopefully right away. Jacoby, we're going outside.
not taking all of the burners off right now, but I had to take off that one because I had dropped some noodles in there. And if you haven't noticed before, pasta is flammable, so don't leave noodles in the burners if they fall down there. Have fun. Stay together. Be safe.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi. Say hi, camera.
Hi.
Hi, camera.
Hi. Say hi. Hi.
That's close enough. He does know how to say hi, but he wanted to say that instead. It was more important. Thank you. So, let's talk. I'm not talking to you, I was talking to the camera. Let's talk butternut squash. How do you like to eat it? I like mine roasted with oil or butter and some salt and pepper. That's how I've got it right now. No. Okay. I wish I got asparagus now. Don't have my tripod up, so excuse my being out of view. So ham and potatoes are almost ready in the crock pot, and so I'll try to be okay. Right now I'm just cutting up some broccoli. I'm gonna throw it in the pot with some butter. Makes it less healthy, but it tastes good. Let me know in the comments if you're watching. What are you having for dinner today? Cut some celery too. A whole thing of celery. I'm not going to use it all with dinner. I'm going to cut it all up at the same time just to save time. And I find that the kids don't really take the time to cut it up. So it's always best to have it like prepared for them. And like a veggie tray. Got a veggie tray here. It's a lot cheaper to make your own veggie trays than it is to buy them pre-made at the store. It just takes a little bit of prep, but it's worth it. Sometimes when I'm chopping up celery, I have little getaways. Every time I'm chopping up veggies, I miss my rabbit that we had, because I always kind of forget for a moment. I'm like, oh, Cammy will be happy with this treat, and then I get sad. Okay, now I'm going to chop up some carrots. did the peeling? Okay. So I'm just peeling up some carrots right now. And then I'm going to cook some of them up, and I'm going to put the rest in the veggie tray for the kids to grab their snacks or for their lunch. I'm not really skilled at chopping vegetables. Oops. When I see videos of chefs just going, I'm all like, wow, that's impressive. But I don't know, maybe it's a skill I'll learn someday. I don't think I have the proper knives either. Ooh, I just remembered I have some garlic cloves. I'm gonna cook these with some garlic. Yes, you just saw me garlic there. Ooh, that smells good already. Pepper. Right. Oh, shit. I just decided to join because maybe there's someone out there who's feeling lonely and wants some company while they prep dinner. I know I get that way sometimes. So. I feel like I need more carrots. More carrots. I didn't really learn how to cook while I was growing up, so I'm proud of myself whenever I do cook, even if it's nothing fancy. So. some butter garlic with some broccoli, carrots, and celery. That smells good. I keep eating the carrots while I cut them. My bad. But since I'm cutting carrots right now, I'm going to also add some to the veggie tray. What's your favorite vegetable? Do you eat vegetables? Do you like vegetables? Thank you for the suggestion. I'm not gonna buy any followers though. I find it annoying to chop carrots because they're so tough. Might be I need sharper knives. Oh, I never set a timer. I never set a timer for this butternut squash. Guess I'll just have to check on it now and then and see if it's ready. Oops. I'm roasting the butternut squash seeds at the same time as roasting the squash. Because they're kind of like pumpkin seeds. You can eat them as a snack. I don't know if anyone's tried it, but I've actually had squash pie before. It tastes very much like pumpkin pie. I'm not sure which is healthier. Or if there's much of a difference. Do you like pumpkin pie? Some people like pumpkin pie, some people hate pumpkin pie. Seems to be one or the other. I love pumpkin pie. I do like making homemade stuffing, but today I'm just going to have stovetop. I like that too, and it was on sale. So I bought a bunch of it. Alright, so there we go. There's a little veggie tray already. I'm putting that in the fridge for the kids' lunches. And And I don't think I have anything else to show you right now. You can wish you could smell these. They smell really good. Garlicky. I'm gonna check on the squash. Are definitely done. I think the squash might be too. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty soft. We could use a little bit longer, but it's getting there. Oh my gosh. There's this little sliver. I'm going to eat that. Okay. The squash is almost done. I'm just going to have to whip up the stove top, which doesn't take long at all. Okay, flip this back over now. Back in for a few minutes. So, stovetop's really simple. You just boil some butter and water in the saucepan. I just use a frying pan usually, and it doesn't take long at all. That out. I think I'll do 2 cups. I'm doubling what it calls for because I'm doing 2 boxes at once. That's good. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving to all the Canadians out there. Thanksgiving weekend's coming up. Thanks for popping in. Bye.